And we have some more breaking inputs coming in right now. We have accessed the autopsy report. The preliminary post-mortem findings in the murder of Chandranath Rath, aide of Shubhendu Adhikari, suggest that his heart was severely damaged due to multiple bullet injuries. According to sources, there was excessive blood loss that led to multi-organ failure, which immediately caused his death. So this is the latest update that we are getting for you. We have with us my colleague joining us to get you more details. Hridita is live with us for more on this. Hridita, give us more details. What exactly is there in the autopsy report?
Well, absolutely. Today we have been seeing at the Barashat Medical College, the Chandranath Raut's PM was done, post-mortem was done with about 4 hours of time. It started from 10 in the morning and it ended by 1:30 today. But the latest that we are getting information was Chandranath Raut was hauled with bullets in his chest that has caused severe damage in his lungs, and there was profuse bleeding from his heart. And also with the amount of bleeding that happened, it was a multi-organ failure that took place. Now also given to record to the time his body was recovered and taken to the nearby hospital at the Vivacity Hospital, we get an understanding that this there was a lot of time that was taken, and therefore even the littlest chance that he had to survive, that was taken by due to this multi-organ failure and excessive loss of blood. Chandranath Raut lost his life while his movement was done to the nearby hospital at the Vivacity. The tension also occurred in that point because his driver himself, Buddhadev Bera, was also hurt in the right side of him. Therefore, there was nobody to rescue him to the point of the hospital. There were locals who came ahead and helped him. By the time police came, and entire process, till the time this entire process concluded, it was very late, and Chandranath could not be saved because of this intensive bleeding that he had suffered from.
Right. Hridita, stay on with us. Viewers, Times Now has also accessed chilling visuals that capture the moments before and immediately after one of the most shocking assassinations in Bengal in recent times. CCTV footage shows Chandranath Rath's white Scorpio moving towards the spot where he would soon be ambushed. Take a look at these visuals. Now, CCTV captures Chandranath's white SUV just moments before it was blocked by a smaller car and gherawed by bike-borne assailants who killed him using sophisticated firearms.
This is the crime spot that we are currently standing at, where a close aide of Shubhendu Adhikari, who is likely to be the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Chandranath Raut, was shot dead last night. At the point, we are getting to understand that about 4 to 5 rounds of bullet had been run on him, after which his body had been bleeding profusely. After that, once he was taken to the hospital at Vivacity nearby to the very area, he was declared to be dead. But however, the details that we are getting is of the weapon that has been used is of an improvised arm or improvised gun that has been used. It can be likely an American Glock, as investigators still continue with their investigation. But here at the crime spot, you can see that the bullet shell is already lying down, and it has been cordoned by the police that has taken over the deployment since last night out here. And this is the exclusive visuals that we bring to you, and you can also understand about this bullet shell that was used, about the kind of weapon that has been used in this crime. This crime is already stated that it might be a politically planned murder that has been taken up front with Chandranath Raut, because Rekhi had been continuing as per allegations that has been raised by the lead of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari on one side, that it was a Rekhi event. It was a fully planned event at one side, and on another side that we get of understanding is the witnesses who have spoken to Times Now exclusively, stating that a bike which was boarding about 3 miscreants, which apparently shot these bullets, hurled these bullets at Chandranath Raut, was waiting for him of about 30 to 40 minutes at this spot. Exactly the time Raut enters his residence, which is around 9:30 to 10 a.m. And this incident, the occurrence of this incident took place exactly around 10 p.m. at night, I beg your pardon. And so that is the exclusive visuals of the investigation that we get from here at this point.
We have started the investigation. We have seized a vehicle which was used for the crime purpose. On investigation, it has been found that its number plate has been tampered. The vehicle, actually, the number plate that has been used belongs to a vehicle in Siliguri, but actually it is a tampered number. We have seized from the spot few fired cartridges as well as live rounds. We are processing the information that we have got so far, and at this moment I think it is the information. This is the only information that I can divulge at this moment.
Moving on, in a sensational allegation, BJP MP Rahul Sinha has claimed that the murder of Chandranath Rath, a close aide of BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari, was part of a larger conspiracy to trigger statewide violence in West Bengal. Now, Rahul Sinha has alleged that Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee expected BJP workers to take to the streets, target TMC leaders and create chaos across the state so that the swearing-in ceremony could be disrupted. BJP MP has said his party does not want West Bengal to remain trapped in violence and insisted that BJP wants development, not destruction. Listen.
ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी ये लोग सोचे थे जो ऐसा कोई घटना घटा देंगे तो बीजेपी का जितना कार्यकर्ता वो सड़क पे उतारेगा, तृणमूल नेता लोगों को चिन्हित करके उसका घर पे आग लगाएगा, तोड़फोड़ करेगा, सड़क तोड़फोड़ होगा, गाड़ी तोड़फोड़ होगा, पूरा एक हिंसा पूरा बंगाल में छा जाएगा और जो शपथ है वो नहीं हो पाएगा। ये साजिश किया था इन लोगों ने।
Let's go across to my colleague Hridita, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Big charge there coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, absolutely. We see that since yesterday only Shubhendu Adhikari, whose close aide, had suffered this loss, has been stating about this death which was pre-planned, this murder which was pre-planned. He said this is a political conspiracy that has been launched upon his very close aide, since who has been his relative or aide since 2019, since he was in Trinamool Congress, then his journey to BJP. Chandranath Rath was always with him. He was a shadow in one word. So at this point, when Shubhendu Adhikari himself has been claiming this, we also see the top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party stating that this has been a politically conspired murder launched by the Trinamool Congress Party, and definitely they allege this and raise the fingers towards Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee. So they say that this has happened on their behest only, on their instruction only, and therefore the party in fact had to so much of money to order to hire one of the Supari killers, to hire such sophisticated guns, and to make such arrangements from the car to the bike. Everything had been pre-planned. The exit routes have been pre-planned. It was a very cold-headed game plan or a murder plan that was conspired, and this had only happened just because Shubhendu Adhikari took over the seat of Bhawanipur. Had that not been the case, then Chandranath Rath would not have been targeted.
Right. Hridita, stay on with us. On the other hand, we have reactions coming in from TMC as well. TMC has demanded a CBI probe into what happened.
बहुत ही दुखद घटना है। हम लोग इसको कंडेम करते हैं, ब्रूटल मर्डर ऑफ चंद्रनाथ राथ इन मध्यम ग्राम। चाहते हैं कि इसके बारे में स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल एक्शन लिया जाए, इंक्लूडिंग ए कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन। मेरे साथ कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है ये घटना का।
So who was Chandranath Rath? A 41-year-old former Indian Air Force veteran. He was low profile but powerful organizer inside Shubhendu Adhikari's political network. A man described as quiet, disciplined and dependable. But last night, he was hunted down. Many rounds were fired. The bullets hit him in the abdomen, chest and head. And what investigators are now piecing together sounds like a random attack, and sounds less like a random attack and more like a planned murder. A small car allegedly blocked his vehicle. Men on motorcycles closed in. His car was surrounded from both sides, and then firing took place from point-blank range. Police sources suspect a sharpshooter may have been used. Sophisticated firearms were allegedly involved. Sources claim that attackers may have conducted recce for 4 days at least before the killing. According to police sources, the bike used by assailants has also been recovered from a garbage dump. The license plate is fake and the chassis number and engine number has been destroyed. The bike has been seized. Eyewitnesses are now describing how the entire attack unfolded before their eyes. Listen in.
हम रात 10 से 10-20 बजे तक उस समय हम खिला रहे थे। स्टर डॉग को हम रोज खिला रहे थे। तभी 2-3 बाजी फूटने का आवाज आया, तो हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया। हमने जीता है, कहा बाजी फूटते क्या मालूम। उसी समय एक शख्स ने चिल्लाते जा रहा था। 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया, 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया। हमने दौड़ के आया, देखा स्कॉर्पियो के सामने ब्लॉक किया है एक ऑल्टो कार, और वो ऑल्टो कार ब्लॉक किया है। ड्राइवर के सीट में जो बैठा था वो डर के मारे दरजा भी नहीं खोल रहा था। हमने बोला डरो मत, दरजा खोला।
And we have some more breaking inputs coming in. What we are witnessing right now is outrage. Amid outrage over brutal murder, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav met Mamata Banerjee, and in fact, Akhilesh has cited threat to Mamata. And according to Akhilesh Yadav, Mamata Banerjee as well as Abhishek Banerjee are facing security threat. Listen in.
किसी के करीबी की जान जाना या पॉलिटिकल वर्कर के साथ व्यवहार होना और टीएमसी के पार्टी कार्यालय को जलाना, उनके कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ ये व्यवहार करना, ये जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? इलेक्शन कमीशन, देश के होम मिनिस्टर। तो उन्होंने तो ये कहा था कि हम लाखों सेंट्रल फोर्स भेजी है। सुनने में आया 3 लाख से ज्यादा यहाँ पर सेंट्रल फोर्स भेजी गई थी और एक पैरेलल स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट किया गया था। पैरेलल स्ट्रक्चर कि बंगाल का चुनाव जो सेंट्रल फोर्स आई थी वो यूपी की आई थी, बिहार की आई थी, जो बॉर्डर्स थे वहां से खाली करके यहाँ लेके आए थे।
And with this, we will slip into another very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.